Hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the Intel and the Parexel off-campus drive 2021. So if you are discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates like this and for the latest off-campus and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So you can check the other off-campus details as well. So I'll be putting the links of the other off-campus or the latest off-campus in the description of this video. Go through the links and apply for the other off-campus before they get expired. So now let's discuss about the Intel off-campus. So this is the Intel career portal or the career page. So they are hiring for the data scientist college graduate Bangalore location. It's for the Bangalore location. This is the job ID. If you are approaching any Intel associate through the LinkedIn or any other social media, just provide them this reference ID or the job ID for the reference purpose. They will be able to refer you through this job ID. Then the job category is the engineering. As we discussed earlier, the primary location is Bangalore, India, and the job type is the college graduate. That means the fresh graduates are eligible for this off campus, or the candidates those who are having 0 to 2 years or the 1 years of experience. So now let's discuss about the qualification required for this off campus or for this profile. So the basic qualifications are required like excellent analytical and the problem solving skill, independent, responsible and the curiosity must be there, challenges status quo and has a passion to drive the smart change using data, etc. So I need to tell you one thing. So if you are applying for any other like experienced profile, you might have seen that like they ask for vast amount of expertise like the AWS, Azure certification and other libraries or the programming languages, etc. But this is the entry level job profile or for the freshers. So that's why they have asked for zero experience and few technologies or the few skills for this specific off campus. So don't miss this opportunity because they've asked very less amount of expertise, trust me. So then the expertise in machine learning algorithms, mathematics and the statistics is preferred. Experience in state of the art deep learning algorithm is beneficial but it is not mandatory. Expertise in programming languages such as Python, C or C++ is preferred. So most of the candidates might be knowing Python, those who are willing to build their career in the data science field. Then expertise in working in machine learning or the data engineering frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, sklearn, PySpark, etc. is preferred. I think most of the candidates know these things or these libraries. They are friendly or they are familiar with these libraries, those who are working or building the ML models. So if you are interested for this off campus, simply click on the apply now button here. Then you will be able to apply for this off campus. It will be taking you to the career portal or the login page where you can apply for the off campus. So basically before applying you need to join their community or the portal. So first you need to provide your first name, last name, email address, what is your country or the region, do you currently live in, resume, etc. These are the like the basic things you need to provide. Then you need to agree the terms and conditions. Then click on the save and continue. After that you will be able to log in into your account. So if you've already logged in into your if you have already created your account in this Intel page or the career page before, then no need to create it again, you can log in. Otherwise you can create your account, or if you have forgotten your password, just click on the forget password. So now I hope you all are able to understand about the eligibility application process. I am not wasting time in like showing you the demo how to apply because it's an easy process. So now let's discuss about the second company. So the second company is the Parexel and they're hiring for the intern clinical data associate, and it's a remote based job. That means work from home job, and permanently from the any region you can do your work. So this is the job ID and they're hiring for the intern position. clinical data associate or the data analyst kind of stuff. Bachelor's degree or the other medical qualification or the relevant experience, language skills, computers in written Oracle, oral English or the excellent regional language is needed. Then minimum work experience, college level education. So they have not asked for any like specific qualification background here. That means basics like data management proficiency must be having. Like if you see here, they've asked for like data management things you will be doing, like as a data engineer kind of stuffs you will be doing, like data warehousing, etc. Basic tasks based on the clinical data processing activities assigned trails and under direct supervision. So these are the like data validation, generation of queries, like writing the SQL queries to fetch the data from the tables or the Oracle or the DB2 tables, etc. These are the basic stuffs you will be doing as a like data warehouse or the ETL engineer, etc. So if you are interested for this off campus, yeah, any background, any qualification, any year pass out or the batch candidates can apply for this off campus. There is no certain criteria or the eligibility criteria, because if you see here they have mentioned it clearly, because these are the like no bars to the eligibility or the qualification. Then here these are the bachelor's degree, any or any other relevant medical qualification will be preferable, but it is not mandatory. You can apply. So this is the, if you are interested, then you need to simply click on the apply to the job. It's a lengthy process because this is the Workday portal. So generally Workday portals takes a very large time to apply for any off campus or any job profile. So you need to just sign in. I think most of the candidates don't have any account in this portal. Don't have any account, just click then I agree the terms and condition. Just simply put your email address, password, re-enter your password, questions, security questions you need to put, then continue. So it's a basic steps you'll be entering. So I'll be putting the links of these two off-campus drives in the description of this video. Go through the links and apply for this off-campus. And again I am repeating, there is no eligibility criteria required for this off-campus. Like any branch or the batch candidates can apply. There is no issue with that. So I suggest all of you to apply for both the off-campus or both the companies. It will be very grateful. And don't forget to check for the other off-campus drives as well. You can apply for n number of companies because it is free of cost. If you have time, then you must apply for the as many companies as you can. So if you have any doubt regarding these off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. We'll try to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.